how to register for Truist mobile or online banking. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can register for Truist mobile or online banking, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to register for Truist mobile or online banking account, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch the Truist mobile banking application. Before that, head over to your app store and then make sure that you download it, and then just hit the open button that you can find there. Once you hit the open button, on the next specific page you're going to be able to see this type of interface, where what you need to do is right here you can basically log into your mobile banking account if you already do have them. But if you don't have your mobile banking account, you can see register now. Make sure to tap the register now option, and after you've done that, you can go ahead and simply make sure to enter your bank account details, such as your card number or maybe even just your bank account number. After you've done all of those steps, you'll be able to register for Truist online banking as you would be able to find it. This way you'll be able to register for Truist online banking account, and after you register you can come back to the login page. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.